Everyone, welcome to Learn Java with Techie channel. My name is Vivek Surin. In this video, we are going to solve string anagram. On a given two input strings, we are going to check whether those two strings are anagram or not. For example, here we have the input 1 and input 2. So these two are the given input strings. So we are going to check whether all the characters in the input 1 is present in input 2 or not. So here we have A, we have B, we have C in both, D and E. So all the characters which are present in input 1 is present in input 2 also. So we are going to output it as anagram. So in the example 2, we have taken the input 1 as A, B, C, D, E, but in the input 2 we have B, C, A, D, F. So here E and F, it's not like matching, so we are going to output it as not anagram. So these are the steps to check whether those two strings are anagram or not. So first we are going to iterate each character from the input 1. So on iterating each and every character, we are going to check whether that character is present in the input 2. So if the character is present, then we are going to remove the character in the input 2, or else we are just going to print it as not anagram and we are going to end the iteration. So there is one more scenario, like if the iteration is done at the end of the iteration, so if the input 2 is empty, then we are going to print anagram, or else we are going to print it as not anagram. So in program, like, you will get a clear idea on how this works. Let's start programming. So I have taken two strings, st1 as hello and st2 as ELOHL. So here we are going to iterate each and every character and we are going to check whether it's present in string 2 or not. So the first condition is, like, we are going to iterate each character from the input. So for that I am going to iterate using a for loop from left to right. So on iterating, we have to check the character is present in input 2. So in order to check, so we are going to find the index of that particular character in the string 2. So if the character is present, then the index is going to return the index value. So if the character is not present, it's going to return -1. So if it returns -1, if the index return is -1, then we are going to print it as not anagram, and then we are going to break the loop. In case, like, if we found out the character, then we are going to do a substring of it. We are going to remove a character by using the substring. Now we have coded till this part. So the next one is, at the end of the iteration, we are going to check if the string 2 is empty or not. So if string 2 is empty, then we are going to print it as anagram, because all the character which is present in the string 1 is also present in string 2. So we have removed it one by one. So after removing, like, the string 2 will become empty. So if the string 2 is not empty, then we are going to print it as not anagram. Let me run this program. So here both the strings are anagram. So let me change the value. So here the string 2 size is maximum than the string 1 size. So these two strings are not anagram. So after like looping through all the character. So now the leftover character will be D. So when it comes here, the string will not be empty, because after removing all these characters which are present in HELLO, so the string 2 is not empty, it's going to return not anagram. And there is one more scenario. Let's say if I have HDELLO, so this D character is not present in the string 2, so here it will fail, because the index of that D is -1 in the string 2. Yeah, so it is printing not anagram here, and also it is printing not anagram here. I hope everyone understood this problem statement. So this is like most frequently asked questions in interview. And if you have any doubts regarding this question, or if you have any optimized code, you can just post it in the comment section. And also please do subscribe to my channel to post more program solving videos. And I will just update this code in the GitHub channel, and you can just go and check out. Thanks for watching.